No fake history channels, fake knowledge channels will sit out and they'll say, where did all the orphans come from in the 1800s? Really? You get rid of a whole group of Native Americans. You pay for their scalps 25 cents to $1 and put $1 million to side for them. There's going to be a lot of children left over. But Christians and Masons don't want to talk about that because it's voodoo. Native American Popal voodoo. A creation story. So yeah, that's where you get asylums and orphans. People that will not accept the new system and the children caught up in the mix. Till next time, Country Boy Archaeology. Peace out. Much love.